Honor Magic V3. A folding phone for the future. Is the Honor Magic V3 the folding phone to beat? The world of foldable smartphones is rapidly evolving, and Honor has once again pushed the boundaries with its latest offering, the Magic V3. This device is a testament to the strides made in this technology, boasting a sleek design, impressive performance, and a host of innovative features. A design that impresses. One of the most striking aspects of the Magic V is its incredibly slim and lightweight build. When folded, it's barely thicker than a traditional smartphone, making it easy to carry around. The dual screens offer a seamless transition between a compact device and a larger tablet-like experience, making it ideal for multitasking and immersive content consumption. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Magic V3 is equipped with a powerful processor that delivers smooth performance, even when handling demanding tasks. The ample RAM and storage ensure that you have plenty of room for your apps and files. The device also boasts impressive battery life, allowing you to go about your day without worrying about running out of juice. Innovative features. The Magic 3 is packed with innovative features that enhance your user experience, from its AI-powered camera system to its advanced multitasking capabilities. This device offers a wealth of possibilities. The inclusion of Google Apps ensures a familiar and seamless experience for Android users. A few considerations. While the Magic V3 is undoubtedly a remarkable device, there are a few factors to consider before making a purchase. The price point may be higher than traditional smartphones, and the durability of the folding mechanism remains a concern for some. Additionally, the availability of the device in certain markets may be limited. Camera performance. The Magic V3's camera system is capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos, with features like AI-powered scene detection and portrait mode. Software experience. The device runs on Honor's Magic OS, which offers a clean and intuitive interface with a variety of customization options. Gaming. The large, foldable screen of the Magic V3 makes it an ideal device for gaming, providing an immersive experience. Productivity. The dual screens of the Magic V3 allow for multitasking and increased productivity, making it a great option for professionals and students. Overall, the Honor Magic V3 is a promising foldable smartphone that offers a unique and powerful experience. While there are some factors to consider, its impressive design, performance, and features make it a strong contender in the market. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 3 represents a significant step forward in the world of foldable smartphones. Its impressive design, powerful performance, and innovative features make it a compelling option for those seeking a cutting-edge device. If you're looking for a smartphone that offers a unique and versatile experience, the Magic 3 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and click the subscribe button to follow our channel for more updates.